Hi guys, welcome back to Pedagogy TLS. This is Abdul Ghafoor and you're watching YouTube channel. So today, this video is about the psychomotor domain because there was a question about the Dave's psychomotor domain. So psychomotor domain has two parts. One is the gross motor, another one is the fine motor. So gross motors are the large muscles, and fine motors are the small muscles. So in this video, I'll be discussing two models, or one is the Dave's psychomotor domain, and other one is the Simpson's psychomotor domain. So this one is the Simpson's type psychomotor domain, and this is the uh, Dave's. So let's have a very quick video about that. How exactly psychomotor is about the physical activities. As we know that Bloom's taxonomy has a three domains. One is the cognitive brain, and affective heart, and psychomotor is body. So today we're going to talk about the psychomotor domain, how exactly it's work. This is the from top to bottom to top, uh, and as the level increase, that means that is the higher order of the activity. So we cannot say higher of thinking because of the it's not cognitive. So first, in physical activities in the schools, how these activities gonna work even at home. Okay, as I said, it's a muscle, so keep in mind and think about the activities that we do, just like a tailoring, just like a driving, just like a swimming, just like a jumping, just like a dancing. These are the physical activities, and we have. So first, imitation, the children's or any learner who imitates, that means who copies. Now, from where he copies these actions, of course, he copies from, the instructor, from a teacher at home, parents, or anybody, okay? And then he manipulates, he try to, do it by, with the help of the instructors, and he copy the information, whatever he copied, okay, and he reproduced the same activity according to the instructions. Then the next level, which is the higher level, precisations. After the reproducing, he try to do it whatever he learn. Okay, that's we call the precisations. Okay, for example, he's become able to stop the car, start the car, and see the signals, and he or she is able to do the jump it, dance it, okay, and able to start cooking and all these things, right? Then after that, when the next level is articulation, that is the adaptations, whatever he or she the learned according to his experiences. He tried to, and he has learned now, and he tried to do it by their self. Okay, he according to his or his own experiences. And the next level is the naturalizations. That means that is the mastery and the final level of so he is able to do that. So how do we know that's able? For example, when you are driving a car, you don't remember that what actions you have to do the first, okay? So you are skillfully you are doing, okay, by unconsciously these things. And when you are cooking in the kitchen, okay, you don't remember, the recall or memorize it, okay, what you have to do the first, okay? You have a mastery in the skills. When you are swimming, you don't do step by step the things, okay, what I have to do for the swimming. When you are playing, okay, so this is a naturalizations by unconsciously you apply, okay. This is the first thing. Now the second thing, uh, in the Simpsons model, let's see the Simpsons model. Our first, perception is a sensory. That means if you are weightlifting, if you are uh, jumping or the dancing, first you try to perceive the things, okay, and actions. If you are weightlifting, you are touching and setting the area. Oh, sorry, not setting. You are looking at the objects and thinking about that. Okay. Then you make yourself ready to learn that am I able to ready for the learn or not? So make sure that you are ready for guided response. Then instructor is coming to teach you, right? And you are following the instructions. And after mechanisms, okay, you are ready now to do it yourself. Okay, that means that you have learned, right? Complex over the response. Now you are able to make small changes, on the different or complex task. You can do it. After these, the next level is adaptations. You can make changes whatever you have learned. Okay, you adapt new ideas, you adapt, integrate new ideas, you make some changes based on your experience. And final stage, originations, that is the creativity and innovations. You create your own and by new something like that. Okay, so these were the two psychomotor domains of the taxonomy.